This has never been done before.
Retired Canadian marine scientist Dr. Dick Beamish wondered what happens to salmon in the winter when they swim out into the Gulf of Alaska.
You need to know this so that eventually we can be effective stewards of the changes that are going to occur to all Pacific salmon.
Until now, the science was inaccurate. If you caught a salmon at sea, where did it come from? BC, the coast of the US, Russia, Japan, or Korea? Well, that all changed when Russian scientists sequenced salmon DNA and determined they could pinpoint what river and in what year that salmon came from, and then they could record where it was caught.
Knowing where are these populations that we're interested, where are they out in the ocean, is a really important first step to understand what factors are affecting them when they're out there.
It's the same question Russian scientists have been asking about salmon off of their coast, and now they want to determine the interconnectedness of their environment to that of the northeastern Pacific.
Yes, I just want to compare results.
21 scientists from 5 countries signed up, and on February the 16th, 2019, they met in Vancouver, British Columbia, to board the Russian research trawler, the Professor Kaganovsky. The expedition is a giant leap forward in understanding what is known as the secret life of salmon. The governments of Canada and BC were on hand to witness the departure.
This global campaign is raising awareness of what the world can and should do to ensure the survival of this iconic species.
I look forward especially to learning from the knowledge that you gain to help us better protect our iconic salmon.
The ship is a working lab with one purpose: to play host to a fishing expedition of the highest order. Over the next 5 weeks, the international team will be tossed about in the Gulf of Alaska, fishing and analyzing their catch day and night. The overarching question is, what determines if a salmon will return to its spawning ground?
One of the theories we have is that the fish that grow the fastest, quickest in their first marine summer are going to be the fish that actually survive, and those should be the fish that we see when we're out in the North Pacific.
Stay tuned. We'll be bringing you reports over the next 5 weeks.